Assemblymen, district leaders, and honorary guests, the chairperson of the Kings County Republican Party, Richie Barsamian, warmly welcomed the Muslims and Christians from Pakistan. Mushtaq Ahmed Kambo, Kaisar Mustafa, William Shahzad, and James Cyprian.
Michael Novikov, because we want leadership. We want people who will have the courage to stand up and say, anti-Semitism is terrorism. We want people that have the courage to stand up and say, you will not destroy our state. We will not allow an area, a community to exist where law enforcement is disrespected. We will not live in a city and a state where every day you talk to us about congestion pricing. Alec, excuse me, am I correct that the New York City has 5 boroughs since 1898? So now they're telling us we have to pay for the privilege of going to Manhattan. Now, I didn't know that because I was under the impression that since 1898, New York City has 5 boroughs. So there are people in charge who are telling us not to go to Manhattan, and they're making it financially impossible for us to exist. Everything that is wrong, the madness that you see, people coming that we do not know who they are. I believe in generosity. I believe in the spirit of kindness. But we must have a system in place where we know who people are, we know their history, we know their medical records, and we bring them in an orderly fashion. So I'm telling you this for a reason. They will discuss signatures. They will discuss petitions. They will discuss poll work. But don't lose sight of why we're doing this. We're doing this to bring people to office that represent us, that represent our values. Because one party rule of a majority has brought us to instability, has brought us to a dangerous level. Does anyone here like to see video every night of police officers being attacked? If you'd like to see police being attacked, please raise your hand. Is there anyone here who wants to see their children's school, instead of being a gymnasium where basketball games are played, or events are held, or plays are put on? Is there anyone here who wants people that we have no idea who they are or where they came from? If you'd like to see your children's school surrendered to strangers, please raise your hand. Okay. We know what our mission is. We know what we have to do. We have to bring responsible Republicans back in office, and we have to support new candidates. We have to.
I'm a Republican since 2016 when I became a citizen of the United States, a great country. And I'm proud to say that once a Republican, always a Republican. We have with us our Pakistani friends, Mr. Mushtaq Ahmed Kambo. He is from Pakistan, but he is also Interfaith Harmony Coordinator for Pakistan as well as the United States. And from the last 40 years, he has been doing this job of Interfaith Harmony. And most recently, the government of Pakistan, Ministry of Interior, they have renominated him as the Ambassador of Peace. He will be the and with us we have Mr. William Shahzad. He is the chairman of Pakistani Christian Association of USA from the last 32 years. And I'm the Secretary General of the Pakistan Christian Association of USA. And I joined like 15 years, and since then I'm working with him. Moreover, I'm also the Vice President of Pakistan People's Party, which is Benazir Bhutto's and her father, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's, and now Bilawal Bhutto, who was the foreign minister, and now he's contesting the election. We are having general elections in Pakistan today. And yesterday we had, and now we are having the and I'm also the focal person for Ministry of Overseas Pakistanis and as well as Ministry of Human Resource Development from Pakistan, from the government of Pakistan. I'm the focal person here in front of the United States of America. And last but not least, we have with us Kessel Bhutta, who is a media person, and he is also a media person for the Pakistan People's Party belonging to Bhutto family. So I would give it.
Thank you so much. Let me introduce a little more. If starting from 2020, I was appointed from Washington, Muslim Voices for Trump by the Sajid Tariq, and I was on local TV channels. I was impressing my community, please go and vote. And this time, I am also your poll worker. You will see me on one of the station, and I will be anxiously waiting for all of you. Please come and vote. We all are one family. We all are together. God bless America. God bless our families. Thank you so much.
Everyone, please, at a moment of enormous respect, can we welcome our brothers from Pakistan? Can we please give them a standing ovation?
Please. I'm going to, gentlemen and ladies, I think it's time to reveal some secret. What we're working on, and it's soccer too, but in Pakistan. We're working with the Phil Ramos, the Deputy Speaker of New York State Assembly, on a delegation on a trip to Pakistan in April. I don't know, the reason I'm saying that I'm revealing a secret, that we're still in a talks with the government, with the people in Washington, but we believe that it's just extremely important for us to go to Pakistan, meet the people, and for me it's especially wonderful because I love Pakistani food. There is a place on Brighton called Nashama. Sounds like Nechama in Jewish, almost the same thing. When I'm there with my friend, the owner of the restaurant,
and vote for Trump, and we're gonna have a big champion and
yeah, that's what I do.